students really benefited from having OWC come behind them and to be able to give them tools that work.
We're teaching kids how to make films and how to share their stories. We're feeding a need.
So let's see what happens.
It's really fun. Like, I consider it school, but it's like fun.
I was able to learn to embrace my fun and creative side.
I'll definitely be able to take what I've learned to the things I do in the future.
We grew a lot in our talents.
Thank you, OWC.
Education is an important market for us. OWC sponsors media labs all over the world because really we're educators at heart, always have been, whether it's educating what you can do with your machine, to educating our staff, educating through tips and tricks on Apple and Windows machines. Like, we love getting in there and helping other people understand what the possibilities are. Educators have tight budgets, and what they have is going to get used and abused by many, many students. So we manufacture products that are going to stand the test of time. At OWC, we have everything an educator needs to kit out a media lab. We have external storage, we have eGPUs, we have upgrades, we even have used Macs. So we can set you up to create that amazing media center that's going to last.
If you're a teacher, an educator with a computer lab, and you find the horsepower is just not there, it's not because those computers are a problem, it's because they probably don't have the right GPU. The Note Titan with a new GPU plugs into these systems and turns them into those media workstations. And now you can run Final Cut Pro and Adobe and DaVinci just with a plug-and-play device that also happens to cost a lot less than a new computer.
Technology is an integral part of education. It's so cool just to see kids get their hands on equipment and see the fruit of their labor. So to me, there's really nothing more important than providing that excitement and that spark for students.
So thank you guys so much for partnering with us, believing in this great mission, and continuing to be able to see how we can change lives together.